Question number 24. Given the function f, evaluate f of -5, f of -4, f of -1, and f of 0. So this is the piecewise function. And so we're going to look at each individual input. Okay, so for the first one, we want to find f of -5. And that is when the input x is equal to -5. Okay, so we need to look at whether we need to choose this function or this function according to our input. Well, is -5 less than -4 or greater than or equal to -4? Well, it's less than -4, which means we have to use the function x plus 3. So we plug in -5, add 3 to it to give us -2. So the first answer is -2. Number 2, we have f of -4. So that means our input is x is equal to -4. Now, is it less than -4 or is it greater than or equal to -4? Well, -4 is not less than -4. We know it's equal to. So since it's greater than or equal to -4, then we're using this function, -2x minus 1. So we're going to plug in -4 into this function. So we get -2 times -4, which is +8, minus 1 gives us 7. Okay, let's take a look at 3. We have f of -1. So that means x is equal to -1. So is that less than -4 or greater than or equal to -4? Well, it's greater than -4. So that means we're using the function -2x minus 1. So we take -2, multiply it by -1, and subtract 1. So we get 2 minus 1, which gives us +1. So the answer for that is 1, and that's our output. Number 4, we have f of 0. So that means when x is equal to 0. Now, is that less than -4 or is it greater than or equal to -4? Well, that number is greater than -4. So we're using the function -2x minus 1. We get -2 times 0 minus 1, which gives us 0 minus 1, which gives us -1. So the output for that is going to be -1.